Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using Doola. Thinking about using Doola? Watch this honest review before you do. Doola is a platform designed to be a one-stop shop for entrepreneurs, helping with everything from forming an LLC and managing business finances to handling those tricky tax-related tasks. It's specifically tailored for freelancers, small business owners, and startup founders. One of Doola's biggest strengths is its user-friendliness. Even if you're not a tech whiz or an expert in the legal and financial aspects of starting a business, Doola simplifies the entire process. It handles LLC formation, EIN setup, and can even help non-residents open a US business bank account. Plus, Doola offers bookkeeping services, which is a huge benefit if you want to stay on top of your finances without the expense of a full-time accountant. But is Doola actually worth the investment? In my experience, the platform excels at automating the tedious administrative tasks associated with business formation and management. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate, and their customer support is incredibly responsive, which is invaluable when dealing with complex legal and financial matters. If you're looking to streamline your business operations without juggling multiple services or platforms, Doola is an ideal solution. However, Doola isn't a perfect fit for everyone. Established businesses might find its services a bit too basic, as it's clearly targeted towards newer ventures or those without extensive financial management experience. Additionally, while their LLC formation service is reliable, it's not the most budget-friendly option available. If you're working with limited funds, it's worth exploring other providers. In conclusion, Doola is a fantastic all-in-one platform for entrepreneurs just starting out who need assistance with LLC formation, tax management, and bookkeeping. It's reliable, user-friendly, and offers excellent customer support. However, if you require more advanced features or are seeking a more cost-effective solution, it might not be the best choice for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you determine if Doola is the right fit for your business.